Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and helpful TikTok tutorial for 2026. In this guide, I will show you how to unblock someone on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app. Once it is opened, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right center. Next, tap the menu icon at the top right side of your profile page and select Settings and Privacy. This is where all your account controls are available. Scroll down carefully until you find the Blocked Accounts option and tap on it. Here you will see a list of all users you have blocked on your account. Find the person you want to unblock and tap the Unblock button next to their profile. Once you confirm, that user will immediately be unblocked from your account. Finally, after unblocking, you can visit their profile again and follow or interact if you want to reconnect with them. This method is simple, fast, and works on most Android and iOS devices running the latest version of TikTok. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy TikTok tips and tech guides.